What's up, guys? Steven here. Despite launching 2 years ago, the $245 Apple AirPods Pro 2 remain the best noise-canceling true wireless earphones for iPhone owners. Not only do they offer top-notch active noise cancellation, ANC, robust audio, advanced listening modes, and seamless integration with iPhones, iPads, and Macs, but they also come in a feature-rich case that includes wireless charging, USB-C, and Find My support. Because the AirPods Pro 2 seal off your inner ear, they provide more effective noise cancellation than the $168 AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Soon they can even act as FDA-approved hearing aids via an upcoming software update. As such, the AirPods Pro 2 are the top noise-canceling earphones for iPhone users. If you are interested in purchasing the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, you can find the link in the pinned comment on this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next video. See you next time.